talk to you about the ABC plan and something that we will be implementing in June on the ABC plan. So as you know, that in the ABC plan, if you do not qualify according to your structure, you earn naught rand on your team in the past few months, the 11 months. For example, if your structure was an S4 and you did not qualify according to the recruitment criteria or maybe the sales criteria, you did not get paid as a 3-star or a 2-star, etc. Well, there is good news, and I want to say hallelujah, and I want to clap hands, and I want to see hearts from you. So the good news is, from June, this will not be the case anymore. So you will get paid according to the title you end on. So if your structure is an S4 or an S3 and you did something not, and we'll give you lots of examples now, Zandria. So you will then qualify to get paid, to get the money for an S3 or S2, whatever you have end on for. So we will start running those calculations tonight, and you will be able to see differences from tomorrow. So over to Zandria to share some examples with you regarding this rule. Zandria.
So thank you, Renee. So what does this all mean? I'm sure you are asking, right? Because you want to see examples so that it can make sense for you. So if we look at example 1. So say now you have the structure of an S3, right? You've got your 3 active legs, you've got your structure title leg requirements, which is 2 consultants, 1 S1, and you've got your 37,000 Rand group sales. You've got your 1,500 personal sales, but you did not have your 2 recruits over the 3 months rolling period. However, you did have 1 recruit. We will now be paying you as an S2, and that is the team building 1 of 5% and the team building 2 of 4%. So you will be paid as an S2. Okay, let's look at example 2. In this example, you'll see that the structure is a manager, right? So you did all your requirements to have the structure as a manager. You did your 3,500 Rand personal sales, but you did not do your 3 recruits over a 3-month rolling period. But you did, however, bring in 1 recruit. So you will be paid as an S2. Okay. Remember that in this example, so a manager gets paid group discount and generation 1 discount. So if you didn't meet those requirements and you get paid as an S2, you will only be paid the team building 1 and team building 2. So it's important to remember that as well. If we look at the next example. So here we've got the same structure, also manager, she does everything. The 3,500 personal sales is there. But this consultant brings in no recruits, so not the 3 over the 3-month rolling or any recruits. You immediately look at the green block. Okay, so this consultant did the 10,500 Rand, and this consultant is then paid as a as a manager in the green block. So what is important to remember here is that if you have a structure, you can't get paid as an advanced consultant if you didn't do any recruits. That's why we then look at the green block. All right, so let's continue. So say you have the structure of a S3. You didn't you didn't have sales of 1,500, but you had sales of 2,500. But you didn't have any recruits. Then immediately we go look at the green block. So here you will be paid as an S2 in the green block because you had your 2,500 sales, but you didn't have your recruits. That's why you will then get paid in the green block. Okay, if we move on to example 4. In this example, you'll see that this manager has the structure of a manager, everything, the 70,000 group sales, but no recruits, right? So immediately, like I said, we go and look at the green block. So depending on what your sales were, so if you had 10,500 Rand sales, you'll still get paid as a manager. If you only did sales of 4,000 Rand, you will then get paid as an S3 in the green block. Okay, so I hope these examples help you. In example 5, so you have the structure of a director. You didn't bring in your recruits, but say now you did, as a director, you did your 12,500 Rand personal sales, you'll be paid as a director in the green block. Say, for example, you did your 10,500 Rand sales. So remember in this example, you don't have any recruits. That's why we're looking at the green block. Depending on the personal sales that you achieved, that is where you will then get paid on that title. Okay, so that's what this example means. Then if we look at the next example. Okay, so in this example, so say for example that this person was a S1 in month 1 and she brought in 1 recruit. So she ticks all the boxes for her structure. She does her 1,200. She brings in 1 recruit. She'll be paid as an S1. Now let's look what happens if in the second month, in the next example, she doesn't have recruits. So here's the second month, month 2. She doesn't bring in any recruits. She still has the structure of an S1. She doesn't have her recruits, but she does her 1,800 Rand personal sales. Remember, again here where we said, if you don't have any recruits, you can't get paid as an advanced consultant because you still have the structure. But now this person did her 1,800 Rand, so she gets paid as an S1 in the green block. So remember, ask if you have any questions. We will look at questions at the end. So if anything doesn't make sense to you, ask your questions and then we will answer them. All right. Now, you will see your VDS, right? Now, what do you have to look on when you look at your VDS, right? Because now there's a lot of stuff on your VDS. How can you get this figured out easily? So an important thing to remember is in this example, it's not there yet, but you will now see 3 titles on your VDS. You will have your pin title, your structured title, so that will be the structure that you have, as well as a paid as title. So that will be what you will get paid as, what title you will get paid as. Now, if you look at your VDS, the first thing you look at is your structured title. So that's on the top right. Okay, Luzanne, I think if you can just move on, it will show them. Yes. So there's your structure title. You've done everything. Your structure is an S4. Now let's look at what happened for this person. So the first thing you look at is your structure title. The second thing you look at is your recruits, because that will immediately tell you if you're playing in the red block or the green block. So here in this case, this person brought in 2 recruits. Okay. This person had 2,400 Rand sales and needed 2,500 Rand to be paid as a 4-star consultant in the red block. So, Luzanne, if you move on, how will this consultant be paid? As an S3 in the red block. Okay, just go one back. I just want to just finish that. So, paid as an S3 in the red block. Why? Because like we said, this person's personal sales was 2,400 Rand. Okay, so that's enough to qualify for a S3. If we move on to the next example, so remember, again, first thing you look at is your structure title. So in this case, the structure title is a 2-star consultant. The second thing you look at is your recruits. So immediately there, you can see this person had no recruits. So where will she fall? She will now fall in the green block. All right. So to qualify for an S2 in the green block, she needed to do the 2,500 Rand sales. She did only 2,298. So what will she get paid as? She will get paid as an S1 in the green block because she has enough personal sales to qualify for an S1, because an S1 is personal sales of 1,800, where an S2 needs 2,500 Rand personal sales. So I think as you look at your teams, this might look strange now, but as you look at your teams and you go through it and you do a few of your own examples, I think you will put all of this together. But it's important just to know what are the 3 things to look at to make this easy for you. In this example, first of all, look at the structure title. So this consultant has a structure of an S3, so a 3-star consultant. The second thing you look at is the recruits, so no recruits. So like we said, then immediately you move to the green block. In the green block, this person had 1,427 Rand sales, meaning she didn't do the 4,000 Rand to still be paid as a 3-star consultant. So how will she be paid? So there will unfortunately be no payment for this consultant on her team. And why do we say that? Because remember, if you don't have any recruits, you can't qualify as an advanced consultant in the red block as you still have a structure, but this person also didn't have enough personal sales to qualify in the green block. Okay. And I think that is the end of these examples. So Renette, back to you.
So I think just on this, so we will send out communication about this. This recording will be available, as we said. The recording will be available and the slides of today will be available. And then if there is any questions, please log it at the, CRM or contact me or Zandria directly. But please go through CRM so that we can discuss this and maybe do a second training on this. So thank you very much for everybody attending this. So we will see you soon in August. Hope all of you, and I hope you've enjoyed this and are working towards those fantastic growth sales then for our rewards and recognition program. So have a good day and we'll see you soon.